Meaning of infra-dig.
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 Infra-dig. The phrase infra-dig is short for the Latin phrase infradignitatem, which means beneath one's dignity. It is often used to describe something that is considered beneath someone's status or prestige. For example, a wealthy person might consider working a minimum wage job infra-dig. It is a way of expressing disdain or disapproval for something that is seen as unworthy. In summary, infra-dig is a shorthand way of saying that something is beneath one's station in life or social status.